Bro, look at this. This is what my product photo looks like. Sad, lonely. Giving, I took this on my kitchen counter at 11 p.m., which I did. Don't judge me. And this is what it looks like 2 minutes later. No camera, no lights. No $2,000 photographer who makes you feel bad about your lighting choices. Just AI. And honestly, I am a little offended at how easy this was. Okay, but real talk, most people use these tools and their images still look like they were made by a microwave because they skip one thing. I'll show you what. The tool is called Pic Copilot. It is made by Alibaba, which say what you want. Those people know e-commerce like I know avoiding responsibilities. You've probably seen AI image tools before. Most of them promise the world and deliver a potato. This one's different. Let me show you why. So I uploaded this blouse, just the product, no model, no styling, no vibes whatsoever, just fabric and sadness. 2 clicks later, bro, it put it on a model, multiple poses, natural folds, clean edges. This isn't some janky cut and paste situation either. It actually looks like a real photo shoot. I even tested it with layered clothing, jackets, scarves, stuff that usually breaks eye tools completely, still clean, still natural. I am genuinely upset about all the money I've wasted on photo shoots. Here's the part people mess up though. Pic Copilot literally tells you how to feed it good photos. High res under 10 meg. Clean background. Front facing, already on a model. Follow those rules. Chef's kiss, ignore them. Congratulations. Your blouse now has 3 arms and your model looks haunted. One real photo shoot costs $500 to $2,000 for 1 session. And that is before the retouching fees. This tool just did the same thing while I was eating cereal. Dry cereal, by the way. We're out of milk. Tough times. No, watch this. I grabbed a perfume bottle. Plain photo, no story, no emotion, just glass and liquid sitting there, like it is waiting for a bus, dropped it into the background tool, picked a scene template, let the AI cook. Look at that, that looks like a Dior ad. I made that. Me, a person who can barely match socks in the morning. And you are not stuck with one look either. You can flip between styles in seconds. Studio vibe, lifestyle vibe, moody vibe. This is massive for ads and landing pages where visuals literally decide if someone buys or bounces. Oh, and one more thing, shadows. I know, sounds boring. Nobody wakes up excited about shadows, but without them, your product looks like it is levitating in the void, like it got raptured. Pic Copilot generates realistic shadows that actually match the lighting direction of the scene. Suddenly, your $5 render looks like a $500 shoot. Jewelry and beauty products. Especially, this feature makes cheap renders look premium instantly. No, is it perfect? No. If your original photo is garbage, the AI can't perform miracles. Garbage in, garbage out. It is AI, not Jesus. You still need a halfway decent base image, but the speed to quality ratio, absolutely unhinged. What used to take hours now takes minutes. You can test more angles, more creatives, more branding styles without burning cash every single time. That is the real cheat code here. Speed plus consistency. So here is your homework. Go try Pic Copilot, links in the description. Upload your worst product photo, your most embarrassing one. See what happens? Then come back and tell me in the comments if your jaw didn't drop at least a little, or roast me if it flopped. Either way, engagement is engagement. I am Eenie. I find AI tools so you don't have to. Subscribe if you are into this stuff. Peace.